Hello guys and welcome to another video of How to Tech Explain. Today we're back with a Netflix video for you guys, and we're going to be showing you how do you change the language on Netflix. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, you're just going to open up your Netflix app, right? Once you've opened your app, you should know that you have to change the language for every profile. I mean, it really depends if you want to do it for every profile or not. Well, let's suppose if I were to log into my account, and if I tap on this top right icon that is like my profile, and I hit manage profiles, and then if I'm gonna hit the pen button, you can see that I have this display language that I can change to whatever I want. And once I'm done selecting whatever I want, I can just go back, and then it should start looking like whatever language I selected. I'm not gonna change that because I'm not sure if I'll be able to get English back. So, but that is the way that you can change the language of the Netflix application itself. If you want to change the audio and subtitles language, you can change that. You can, select a default, so you can do that. Or if you're actually watching a video, there's also a option there. I'm sure everyone knows that. So that is how you change the language on Netflix. I hope this video is helpful. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.